Is the screen visible? Is the screen visible? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
And on rate of diffusion is also directly proportional. Directly proportional proportional to the partial pressure partial pressure of gas is also directly proportional to the partial pressure of gas. So rate is directly proportional to pressure and inversely proportional to square root of mass. Stop it. Stop it. Calculate the ratio of rate of diffusion. Calculate the ratio of rate of diffusion. Am I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Where are other students? Today the attendance is less.
The many haven't joined.
Okay. Calculate the ratio of the rate of diffusion of hydrogen and oxygen gas if they
So your voice is cracking.
hello. It's not clear.
Yes, sir.
If they are present in the molar ratio
Sir, could you tilt the screen?
if they are present in the molar ratio of 3:1. Try it.
So please scroll up. I just got disconnected.
Done?
Yes, sir. Done. Thank you,
Try
sir.
this question then. Anyone got it? The rate is directly proportional to pressure, inversely proportional to square root of mass. That means rate of hydrogen divided by rate of oxygen will be equals to pressure of hydrogen divided by pressure of oxygen into square root of mass of oxygen divided by mass of hydrogen. Right? Now molar ratio is same as that of the partial pressure ratio. Molar ratio is same as partial pressure ratio. Please mute your mic. Molar ratio is same as partial pressure ratio. Please mute your mic, whoever it is. Molar ratio is same as that of partial pressure ratio. So molar ratio is given as 3:1. Partial pressure ratio will also be this only.
So scroll up.
So please show the question.
So ratio of rate will be 3/1 into square root of 32/2, which will be equals to 12:1. 12:1 will be the answer. Understood, all of you? Understood, all of you? Got the answers?
Read it.
Akarsh. See, rate was directly proportional to. Your voice is breaking. Rate was directly proportional to pressure, inversely proportional to mass. So rate of hydrogen divided by rate of oxygen is directly proportional to pressure ratio and inversely proportional to mass. Now pressure ratio is same as that of molar ratio, which is given in the question, and mass we already know. So we'll put all the values, we'll get the answer.
नहीं किया बोलता तो मैं अभी पेंटर तो मैं बना के दे सकता हूँ 10 मिनट में पेंटर बना के दे सकता हूँ अभी लेकिन ये उसका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रहेगा पेंटिंग में जाके वो कैंसिल करने का वो अगर हाँ बोलती है तो मैं सॉरी कैंसिलेशन करने को जाती है तो मैं बना के देता हूँ तो बाकी कौन बना के दिया मेरा
Who
नाम
is
क्या नाम
this?
है
Please mute your mic.
मैंने बोला ऐसा
Done, Sanika?
Yes, sir.
Why is the molar ratio same as partial pressure ratio? This I told you in the starting only. Partial pressure ratio will be equals to mole fraction into total pressure. Mole fraction into total pressure. Yes, this will get cancelled out. Mole fraction is moles upon total
Just
moles.
scroll up.
Moles upon total moles. Hence, partial
scroll
pressure
up.
ratio is. Just wait for 1 second. Okay, yes.
So done.
Okay, yes. This is how partial pressure ratio is same as that of molar ratio. But they are moles, no sir. How is it related to mass? No, mass we were already knowing. This ratio we already knew. Rate is inversely proportional to square root of mass. This is different relation, which I told you in the last class. Here I am giving you the ratio, the relation with pressure. मास वाला अलग है, ये तो मोल्स का रेशियो मैंने बताया. Done all of you?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Can you just show me how you get that 12:1?
If you divide this, it will get 16. Root 16 is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. Right?
Yes.
Done all of you? So whatever we are doing here, if you have to go through it again after the completion of class. आप ऐसे उठ के आ जाते हो. You have to go through it again. और कोई डाउट है तो मुझे बताओ उसी दिन. Everything is linked up. Yes. We have to go through it again, whatever we are doing, all the numericals, all the data.
So please scroll up.
Done. SO2 diffuses 2 times faster than a gas X. The number of molecules present in 128 gram of gas X will be Na, Na by 2, Na by 4, Na by 16. Try this. Done. The rate of SO2 divided by rate of some gas X will be equals to mass of SO2 divided by, sorry, mass of gas X divided by mass of SO2. Now rate is given as 2 times. This will be 2, this will be 1. Mass of gas X divided by 64. Mass of CO2. इसका स्क्वायर रूट दोनों तरफ स्क्वायर करेंगे. It will become 4 equals to mass of gas X divided by 64. So mass of gas X will come out to be 256. ये मिल गया. Any doubt clear? Any doubt clear? Now we want molecules. Molecules के लिए we want moles. और moles का फॉर्मूला है given mass upon molar mass half mole. Half mole मतलब half Na molecules. Very good, Shifa. Amod, Rishikesh. Understood? Understood? Sanya,
Yes, sir.
done. एक और देखते हैं.
So please call up.
So scroll up. So done.
Sanya done. Sanika. If for the diffusion of 5 liter of methane from a chamber requires 5 minutes. The volume of oxygen gas diffused in 10 seconds will be under similar conditions. Sam, you have to give me an answer for this question. Done, Sam. Okay. Rate of methane divided by rate of कौन सी गैस है दूसरी ऑक्सीजन will be equals to of oxygen divided by mass of methane. I have to solve it. Yes, I do not know. Now rate of methane will be volume of methane divided by time, volume of oxygen divided by time. वॉल्यूम ऑफ ईथर कितना दिया है 5 लीटर टाइम कितना दिया है 5 मिनट्स divided by volume of oxygen we do not know and time is 10 seconds will be equals to root 2. So ये हो जाएगा 5 लीटर divided by volume of O2 into 10 by 300 is equals to root 2. ये कट जाएगा ये हो जाएगा 6. So volume of O2 will be equals to 1 by 6 root 2. 1 by 6 root 2 आ रहा है तो did I make some mistake? This all data is given, right? 5 minutes 10 seconds. 5 minutes 10 seconds. Volume of auto तो 1 by 6 root 2 आ रहा है. Padma, आपका 1/6 लीटर कैसे आया?
So scroll up.
Sir, I got it, sir. I made a mistake.
तो ये हो जाएगा नियरली 1/0.84 है ना, 1/0.84 मतलब नियरली 0.12 है ना। यस 0.12 ये आंसर आ जाएगा। अंडरस्टूड? यस यू वर करेक्ट ओनली। आपने कहां पर मिस्टेक किया है? यस गौरव हैव सेड 1/6 लीटर। पद्मा अंडरस्टूड? अच्छा ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड दिस? थोड़ा स्पीड अप करो यार। सनिका डन? साक्षी, संजना, अमोद, आकर्ष, शिफा, शिफा, Janil. In this question, diffusion of 5 liter of methane takes place in 5 minutes. Volume of oxygen diffused in 10 seconds will be. So it is related to volume and time. First we will see the rate. The rate is always inversely proportional to mass. So rate will be inversely proportional to mass. Mass of both we know. Rate is given in terms of volume by time. All the volume and times are given. Put the values, you will get the answer. सारी values put कर दो, you will get it. Okay, Janil. एक और देखते हैं। मान लो यहाँ से हमने हाइड्रोजन पास किया, यहाँ से ऑक्सीजन पास किया, और ये 5 मीटर की लॉन्ग ट्यूब है। We have a long tube of 5 meter. From one side we are passing oxygen, from other side we are passing hydrogen. At what distance first drop of liquid appears? At what distance first drop of liquid appears? At what distance first drop of liquid appears? Sanika, give answer fast this time. Shifa, you also. बहुत लेट कर रहे हो आप। संजना आप भी थोड़ा स्पीड अप करो, ये सब मार्क्स लेने वाले चैप्टर्स हैं। बिकॉज दीज आर फॉर्मूला बेस्ड क्वेश्चन। फॉर्मूला बेस्ड है तो एनी हाउ आंसर तो सबको मिलेगा ही। जिसको जल्दी आंसर मिलेगा उसी का सिलेक्शन होगा। ये सब कुछ ज्यादा जल्दी कर दिया। लेट्स सी, आई डू नॉट, मैंने फ्रेम किया है अभी क्वेश्चन, सो आई डोंट नो। यस, ये 3 मीटर कहां से है? ऑक्सीजन से या फिर हाइड्रोजन से? फ्रॉम हाइड्रोजन 3 मीटर, मतलब इट इज टुवर्ड्स ऑक्सीजन। ठीक है, लेट्स सी। 4 मीटर, लो गलत हो गया तो वी कैन से रेट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, नहीं, रेट ऑफ हाइड्रोजन divided by rate of oxygen will be equals to mass of oxygen by mass of hydrogen. Very good, Varun. So rate हम क्या लिखेंगे? Distance traveled by hydrogen divided by time, distance traveled by oxygen divided by time. ठीक है, we can say हाइड्रोजन ज्यादा मूव करेगी, so let hydrogen has traveled x and oxygen has traveled 5 minus x. ठीक है, लेट्स से समवेयर यहाँ पर कहीं हमें प्रोडक्ट मिल रहा है। What about others? Is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
तो सनिका आपको रीजॉइन करना पड़ेगा। So x upon 5 minus x is equal to 4. X equal to 20 minus 4x. 5x equal to 4. Sorry, 5x equal to 20. X equal to 4 मीटर, मतलब हाइड्रोजन चला है 4 मीटर and oxygen 1 meter. Very good, Varun. Very nice. Joseph, Sanika, Pranil, Sakshi, Sanika, Shifa. Very good. All of you understood this question? All of you understood this question? Very good, Pranil.
So what is x equals to 20 minus?
20 minus 4x. Sorry, 5. Yeah, 4x. 20 minus 4x. इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया इधर। ओके, एक और देखो, गैस बेस्ड क्वेश्चन। कैन वी गो टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन? Hundred ml of O2 gas diffuses in 10 seconds. Then 100 ml of gas X diffuses in T second. Gas X and time T will be H2 2.5 second, SO2 16 second, CO 10 second, helium 4 second. Hundred ml of O2 gas diffused in 10 seconds. 100 ml of gas X diffused in 10 seconds. कौन सी गैस होगी, क्या टाइम होगा, दैट यू हैव टू टेल. Done. Very good, Sanika. ठीक है, तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन डिवाइडेड बाय टी ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. Volume of gas X divided by T of gas X will be equals to mass of gas X. Now when you solve it, it will become T by 10 is equals to mass upon 32. Take the square on both the sides. T square divided by 100 is equals to M by 32. Now you have to put the values, put different values and calculate. T square upon mx equals to 100 by 32. तो आपको ये वैल्यूज रख के चेक करना पड़ेगा. That is why this question is slightly different. You have to put values and you have to check. Luckily ये फर्स्ट वाला ही आंसर आ जाता है. Otherwise you have to check. Understood?
Sir, can you repeat the last part again?
I said you have to take it till here. Then you have to put the values in all cases and you have to check which one suits. आपको सारी वैल्यूज रख के चेक करनी पड़ेगी क्योंकि यहाँ पर दो अननोन है.
Yes, sir. Got it.
तो लकीली यहाँ पर आपको फर्स्ट वाला ही आंसर मिल जाता है. बट इफ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग द फर्स्ट वन, यू हैव टू गो फॉर सेकंड, यू हैव टू गो फॉर थर्ड, यू हैव टू गो फॉर फोर्थ. वैल्यूज रख के चेक करेंगे तभी इसका आंसर मिलेगा. दैट इज व्हाई दिस क्वेश्चन इज स्लाइटली डिफरेंट. Understood? ठीक है, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन है जेई का. You should know this thing. कि दो वेरिएबल्स हैं तो you have to put the values and you will get the answer. All of you understood? You are getting C. How you are getting C? This ratio is how much? 100 by 32 will be how much? 3.125. Yes, what you want to explain in this? 100 by 32 is 3.125, right? Now you are saying it's C. C का मास कितना है? 28. And T square is 100. How it can be same? They are not same. This is 100 by 32. This is 100 by 28. Yes, after reaching here, you have to put the values and check which one is coming out to be correct or same. और कोई तरीका नहीं है इसका, क्योंकि यहाँ पर दो वेरिएबल्स हैं. One equation, two variables, unknown.
So just put the values of H2 and 2.5 and show.
Okay. So if I take T equal to 2.5, then 2.5 का whole square divided by mass of hydrogen. Hydrogen is how much? 2. So this will be 6.25 divided by 2. This will be 3.125. And 100 by 32 is also 3.125.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All of you understood? So you do not have to skip such questions. You should know there can be questions where they have to guess which one will be the answer by putting the values. ठीक है. All of you understood? So this is your rate of diffusion. Let's go to kinetic theory of gases. Kinetic theory of gases. Gas laws. Gas laws are based on practicals and experimental observations. Copy it fast. But the theoretical explanation of gas behavior is explained
So your voice is very low. I can't hear you properly.
hello, hello, is it audible now? Okay. By the postulates of kinetic theory of gases. Copy it first. तो जितने भी हमने गैस लॉज पढ़े हैं, whatever gas laws we have learned, we have read, those were based on the practical observation. What we have seen, that what we have made the laws. But the theoretical explanation was given by the postulates of kinetic theory of gases. जो भी theoretical explanation है, that will be given by postulates of kinetic theory of gases. Copy it fast. Done.
The scroll up.
There is no force of attraction between gaseous molecules. There is no force of attraction between gaseous molecules. It is based on the fact that gases are highly expandable. Expandable. So as they are highly expandable, you can expand them to a maximum limit. There should not be any force of attraction between them. There should not be any force of attraction between them. Understood? First postulate that there is no force of attraction between the gaseous molecules. It was based on the fact that gases are highly expandable. Second, volume of gaseous molecule is negligible as compared to the volume of container. Volume of gaseous molecule is negligible as compared to the volume of container. It is a fact that gases are highly compressible. Gases are highly compressible. Read these 2 points first.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you scroll up a bit? I had lost connection. I'll just take a screenshot. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Understood both the points. If the gases had force of attraction, force of attraction, you cannot expand them to the maximum limit. You cannot expand them to the maximum limit. They will resist that. But we know we can expand gas to the maximum limit. That means there is no force of attraction. There is no force of attraction in gaseous molecule. If the volume of gaseous molecule if the volume of gaseous molecule is very small, then we can compress them we can compress them to the maximum limit to the maximum limit. And yes, we can compress them to the maximum limit. It means that volume of gas molecule is negligible as compared to the volume of container. Understood both the points?
So just repeat once again.
Which one, first or second?
So both.
In case of first, we are saying that force of attraction between gaseous molecule is negligible or no force of attraction. We can say that if there was the force of attraction between the molecules, then they cannot be expanded to the maximum limit. Because for expanding them, the molecules should have to go away from each other. If they have a very strong force of attraction, they won't go away from each other and gases cannot be expanded. But we know gases have very high expansivity. That means there is no force of attraction between them. Understood?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
In the second one, the gases have very small volume. Why? Because when we compress it, it will get converted to a very small shape. It is only possible when you can compress it to the maximum limit. Otherwise, if the size of the molecule is high, if the size of the molecule is high, then they won't allow maximum compression. Understood?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
All of you? Third, gaseous molecules collide with each other and with the walls of container which results in the pressure exerted by the gas. So when they collide with each other and they collide with the walls of the container, that collision leads to the pressure exerted by the gas. Understood? Understood? Collision between gaseous molecule is elastic and there is no energy loss. 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 These are the
Just
postulates we have to remember.
So all the points are the postulates or the one which you
Yes.
marked with the.
No, for them I give reasons also, but whatever I'm writing, all are postulates.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, just scroll
But
down.
the first two are important ones. That's why I gave you explanation of that. The rest are simply you will get it in the physics also. Done? Different gas molecules are moving with different velocities. Different gas molecules are moving with different velocities. Okay, all of them have different. Understood? It's not like that all the molecules are moving with same velocity. Okay, some are moving with high velocity, some are moving with low velocity. Understood? Average kinetic energy of gaseous molecule is directly dependent on absolute temperature. Absolute temperature. On absolute temperature. Average kinetic energy of gaseous molecule is directly dependent on absolute temperature. Absolute temperature matlab temperature in Kelvin. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Just wait 1 second. Right now, equation obtained from kinetic theory of gas is, इन postulate से हमें एक equation मिलती है which is PV is equals to 1/3 m v square. इसको V RMS लिख लो. I'll tell you what is RMS. As of now, just write down V RMS square. PV equals to 1/3 mv RMS square. Okay, it is a different type of velocity. You just write V RMS first. Okay, this is velocity. This is volume of container, or you can say volume of gas. This is the equation we are getting from kinetic theory of gas. Understood? For ideal gas, PV is equals to nRT. For 1 mole, N is equal to 1. So PV equal to RT. Any doubt till here? V square और S square. It is V RMS square. ये अलग से वेलोसिटी होती है, ऐसे लिखते हैं V RMS. It is a specific kind of velocity. ठीक है, we will talk about it. तो basically it is a velocity only, velocity का square कर रहे हैं. Okay, अमोद, ये एक पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ वेलोसिटी है, रूट मीन स्क्वायर वेलोसिटी. तो वेलोसिटी का ही स्क्वायर कर रहे हैं. So for 1 mole n will be equal to 1. We can say put this in main equation. Put this in main equation. तो क्या हो जाएगा? RT is equals to 1/3 into m v RMS का होल स्क्वायर. Multiply, or you can say 3RT is equals to mv RMS का होल स्क्वायर. इसको इधर ले गए तो now divide both side by 2. 2 से दोनों साइड डिवाइड कर दो तो हो जाएगा 3/2 RT is equals to 1/2 mv square. What is 1/2 mv square?
Kinetic energy.
काइनेटिक एनर्जी. तो ये हो जाएगा काइनेटिक एनर्जी is equals to 3 by 2 RT. Understood? Per मोल, एक मोल के लिए आ जाएगी for n mole. For n mole, it will be 3 by 2 nRT. 1 मोल के लिए, 2 मोल के लिए, 3 मोल के लिए, 4 मोल के लिए, it will be 3 by 2 nRT. Any doubt clear?
No, sir.
अच्छा, पर मोल का मतलब एक मोल के लिए हाउ मेनी मॉलिक्यूल आर देयर इन 1 मोल? हाउ मेनी मॉलिक्यूल आर देयर इन 1 मोल?
Na.
Na. Per mole means for Na molecule. पर मोल का मतलब Na मॉलिक्यूल्स के लिए, सो पर मॉलिक्यूल के लिए क्या करेंगे? Na से डिवाइड कर देंगे. काइनेटिक एनर्जी पर मॉलिक्यूल will be 3 by 2 R by Na into T. Right? Kinetic energy per molecule will be 3 by 2 R divided by Na into T. R क्या है? 8.314. Na is what? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. ये आ जाएगा 1.38 into 10 to the raised power minus 23. राइट? इसे बोलते हैं बोल्ट्जमैन कांस्टेंट. बोल्ट्जमैन कांस्टेंट denoted by K. Boltzmann constant. I said for 1 mole we have Na molecule. That means for Na molecule we have energy 3 by 2 RT. अगर एक मॉलिक्यूल के निकालना है, if you want to calculate for 1 molecule, so you have to divide it by Na. When you divide it by Na, Na is a constant, R is also a constant. उसको सेपरेटली सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. R by Na is equals to K और उसकी वैल्यू होती है 1.38 into 10 to the raised power minus 23. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir. Thank you, sir.
तो हो गया काइनेटिक एनर्जी पर मॉलिक्यूल 3 by 2 kT. अंडरस्टूड? All of you? 3 by 2 kT, where K is Boltzmann constant. अब हम लिख सकते हैं काइनेटिक एनर्जी पर मोल, मतलब एक मोल के लिए is 3 by 2 RT. Yes. Yes, Amod. And kinetic energy per molecule is 3 by 2 kT. Kinetic energy for n moles will be 3 by 2 nRT. Understood? Depends only on temperature. Depends only on temperature. Depends only on temperature. This is also called average kinetic energy. Also called average kinetic energy. केवल टेम्परेचर पर डिपेंड करती है एवरेज काइनेटिक एनर्जी. अंडरस्टूड? Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? All of you understood this point? ठीक है, तो एक क्वेश्चन करते हैं. Kinetic
Sir, can you scroll up a bit?
energy
Thank you, sir.
kinetic energy of a gas molecule is x kilojoule at 1 atmospheric pressure and 300 Kelvin. Then kinetic energy of gas molecule at 2 atmospheric pressure and 300 Kelvin will be x kilojoule, two x kilojoule, x by 2 kilojoule, 4x kilojoule. How much it will be? X kilojoule, 2x kilojoule, x by 2, 4x kilojoule.
X.
X kilojoule. If we are talking about a gas molecule, if we are talking about a gas molecule, that means it is average kinetic energy. That depends only on temperature. That depends only on temperature. And temperature is same in both the cases. So value will also remain same. Understood?
So just repeat what you said now.
I said we are talking about kinetic energy of a gas molecule. Means we are talking about average kinetic energy. Average kinetic energy depends only on temperature. And temperature is same. So answer will also be same.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Understood all of you? एक और ट्राई करते हैं. Eight gram O2 and 44 gram CO2 gas are taken separately at same temperature. The ratio of their molar kinetic energy will be one is to four. Amod is saying B. अमोद बी क्यों बोल रहे हो यार आप? साक्षी तो ए बोल रही है. ऋषिकेश ए. Very good. Aditya is saying 1:1. Here we are talking about molar kinetic energy. Aditya. Here we are talking about molar kinetic energy. Molar kinetic energy was 3 by 2 nRT. 3 by 2 nRT. That means it depends upon temperature as well as moles. It depends upon temperature as well as moles. क्या लिखेंगे? Kinetic energy of oxygen divided by kinetic energy of कौन है दूसरा? CO2. Given mass upon molar mass. Given mass upon molar mass into 3 by 2. 3 by 2 R T T. तो ये तो कट जाएगा. We will be left with 1:4. ये आंसर आ जाएगा. Understood, all of you?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
You bifurcated the 10 into given mass upon molar mass, no?
Yeah. Understood both the questions? Understood both the questions and the difference between both the questions? Understood both the questions and the difference between both the questions? Right, on different types of molecular speeds. Right, on different types of molecular speeds. Different types of molecular speeds. First, most probable velocity. Most probable velocity. Average velocity. And root mean square velocity. This is given by the formula root 2 RT by M. This is given by the formula root 8 RT by pi M. This is given by the formula root 3 RT by M. Copy it fast. All the velocities are directly proportional to temperature and inversely proportional to the square root of mass. Which of the following will have maximum magnitude? Maximum magnitude किसका आएगा? Which of the following will have maximum magnitude? क्या बात कर रहे हो साक्षी? Which one will have maximum magnitude? सबसे बड़ी वैल्यू किसमें मिलेगी? Which one is bigger? Root 2, root 8 by pi और root 3? इनमें सबसे बड़ा कौन है?
Mean squared velocity.
Okay. So RMS, VRMS is bigger than V average is bigger than V most probable. Understood? अब कितना बड़ा है? If this is 1, then this will be 1.128. and this is 1.224. You should know this relation. न्यूमेरिकल्स के अंदर काम आएगा. If this one is 1, then this is 0.92 and this is 0.82. Both sides you should remember. If VRMS is 1, then average will be 0.92 and most probable will be 0.82. If most probable is 1, then VRMS will be 1.224. Understood? Understood? So, most probable velocity. इसका क्या मतलब है? Velocity of maximum number of molecules. Velocity of maximum number of molecules. मतलब if you have 100 molecules, तो 70 molecule जो है वो एक ही velocity से चल रहे हैं. That velocity is called most probable velocity. Velocity accompanied by or occupied by maximum number of molecules. उसको बोलते हैं मोस्ट प्रोबेबल वेलोसिटी. ठीक है. वेलोसिटी ऑफ मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स. If you have 100 molecules and they are moving with different velocities, so the velocity which is common for maximum number of molecules, that velocity will be most probable velocity. Understood? Understood? सबसे ज्यादा probability. I did that in the starting only, yes. So I don't think that's possible. Anyhow, rest we'll do on Monday. You just go through these questions again and the DPP questions. That is it for today.
Thank you, sir.
Just,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.